Hey there, it's September and we are doing a series on blended family issues. Here's a great question that came in from the Modern Divorce Support Group. I'm a stepmom. My husband has primary physical custody. The kids go to school where we live, and mother only has them every other weekend and every other Wednesday. We just got a call that she's been getting them out early on her days and brings them to school late. It's not like a half an hour early, it's hours early, so they're missing a ton of instruction time. Her visitation starts at dismissal of school until 7:30 p.m. on Wednesdays. She's also been keeping them overnight on her Wednesdays. And it's not for lack of trying on my husband's end. What do we do? Police won't enforce it, and the mother thinks she can do whatever she wants. Please help. I don't want my bonus kids' education suffering because of her any more than it has. The reason my husband was primary is because they missed so much school when they lived with her. They were held back. Hi, my name is Billy Tarasio. I am a family law attorney and the owner of Modern Law. I also run the Modern Divorce Support Group, which you can join if you are going through a family law issue. So, this is just such an example, a great example of like real life. So you've got this court order, and then you've got people's behavior that doesn't always conform with the court order. And you're wondering, how do I enforce this court order? So one of the ways that you can kind of fast track family court is something called a notice of compliance or notice of non-compliance. So a petition for contempt, a notice of non-compliance, a request for a status conference, and a quick discussion with the judge probably would be enough to get this done. And judges are usually open to a quick intervention that might do the trick. So especially given the history that you talked about here, where the reason that he has them is because of her interference with school or inability and unwillingness to let them be educated. Like, that's just kind of an issue. So I think that is something that your husband could do relatively simply. If he's doing this himself and he's stuck and he's not sure how to do it, he can join Win Without Law School. Win Without Law School is designed to help people navigate family court themselves. And it comes with courses, its own support group, and most importantly, live Q&A with a lawyer Monday through Thursday for an hour. So you will get step-by-step instructions on how to do this. That is the type of case where it usually might not make sense to go slap down a $5,000 retainer with a lawyer, because you're just wanting the judge to kind of get in there and get things back on track. And sometimes it's best to intervene early in those types of situations. Cost of Win Without Law School is $297 for unlimited access through the end of the year.